Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you a super convenient bathroom gadget I found on Temu. Now drill in the wall, mount automatically, toothpaste disappear. The Temu app, if you download the Temu app, if you don't have it yet, the link in the description. This dispenser is perfect for a home bathroom. You don't need any tools, screws or drills. It comes up with trace-free adhesive, so you can stick it directly in your wall. No damage, no holes, and it can be removed or repositioned easily. The design is smart and simple. You just insert your toothpaste tube, press the toothbrush against the sensor or lever, and it will automatically squeeze out perfect amount. No mess, no waste, and no squeezing with your hands. It's not only convenient but also hygiene. Toothpaste always stays in the dispenser, keeping your bathroom cleaner and reducing germs from multiple people using the same tub. This gadget is perfect for families, shared bathrooms, or anyone who just wants to clean and modern setup. It works for any standard toothpaste tub and fit most bathroom styles thanks to its compact silk design. Installation is breeze. Just clean the wall, stick the adhesive and mount the dispenser within minutes. Your bathroom is upgraded with a practical automatic toothpaste solution. It's also great for kids. No more fighting over squeezing the tub the wrong way. It encourages proper brushing with just the right amount of toothpaste. This automatic toothpaste dispenser is affordable, easy to use, and super practical. Once you have it, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. The link is in the description. Like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.